Hello, all of you. My name is Kumar Kanik Sinha. I belong to Jaunpur, UP. I cleared my 10 plus 2 school education from Dr. Ijvi Landas Academy, Jaunpur. This year, I cleared my common line test examination, and it's my pleasure to get admitted into the Hidayatullah National Law University, Raipur. As everyone knows, this year the whole world suffer from a great pandemic. The corona kills many people, and many people sacrifice their life to save us. First of all, I like to pay tribute to all of them who sacrifice their life to save us. Now, as we know that this year common line text examination is being delayed due to the pandemic. This delayed proves fruitful for me. And the pattern of the CLAT examination also changed. Past year, the CLAT examination consisted of total number of questions, that is 200. Now it decreases to 150. The examination pattern is section divided into 5 pattern, that is English comprehension, current affair, logical reasoning, legal aptitude, and quant. The pattern is fully of reading comprehension, and you have to read a paragraph consisting of 450 to 300 words. There are different strategies for different persons. I have followed the different one. My strategy for the English comprehension is to read the maximum language with the speed within time, so that it may in the examination that you have to complete other sections in time. You don't have the so much time to invest on the reading comprehension. You have to increase your speed. First of all, the speed matters. Speed plus accuracy. So this comes when you read a good newspaper editorial. That will also increase your knowledge for the current affairs section. The current affairs is totally new. In this year, the current affairs came in the examination, that is past just 1 week. The examination held on 28th of September, and the current affairs question come from 21st of September. That is very new, and no coaching institute will teach us. I don't take any coaching institute due to the other reasons, and this pandemic gave me a lot of time at home to prepare for the CLAT common line test examination. And third is logical reasoning section and legal aptitude section. You have to follow a simple strategy. Don't fall in the trap of emotion, because in the given circumstances the question may take you to the trap. They want that you fell into the trap, but it's your mind, it's your logical thinking that how will you come out of the trap. How will you judge the perfect answer to the question? Because there are several answers which are very nearer or closer to the question. But you have to check and tick to the correct one, the best of the option. That is the simple trick. You don't have to follow in the trap. And fourth is quant. The quant or quantity aptitude comes only of 10th standard. You must have read NCERT, that is enough for that. There are not so many questions. It consists of 11 to 15 questions from quant. So basically you have to go through all the sections thoroughly and completely, and you have to just maintain your accuracy and speed. You have to complete paper within 2 hours. That is the necessities. All question 150 question, and all question is of reading comprehension. So you have to complete your paragraph according to that time. So you must have to increase your speed. For increasing speed, read more as possible. Read novels, read current affairs, the Hindu newspaper editorial, the Indian Express editorial, and the knowledge where from you gain. For the logical reasoning, for the legal reasoning, you must have to deal with the basic structure of the constitution. You must have to know what is law. And before giving this examination, I want to tell you that it is very important to know why you gave this examination, why you follow the law, why you chooses your career as a law. Because this is the professional course, and the profession do not matters your emotions. You don't follow the law career because your family pressurizes. It's come from your heart that you have to the follow law. So then you give this examination. That's all. Thank you. All the very best for the future aspirants.